So next up, guys, got a nice tractor here. It's an International 5088. I'll go around and give you a nice 360 degree view. This tractor here, guys, got right around 8,100 hours. It will come with a full set of front weights. They did take them off the tractor, but they will all be put back on. And then as well, the motor was completely rebuilt right around 5,000 hours. So really only 3,100 hours there on a rebuilt motor, guys. Good rubber. Rubber's in nice shape yet. It's got a 540 and 1000 PTO here on the rear, 3-point hitch, 3 auxiliary hydraulic hookups. It's got a nice cab, radio, heat air. Steps are in good shape. None of the dust is cracked or anything. There's a little bit of dust on it, guys, but seems to be pretty dang nice, solid, good looking tractor. I'm here with the consigner. He's going to go ahead and fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. And what I'll tell you, really one of the only imperfections in this really pretty nice looking tractor. It does not shift into low gear. So there's 3 ranges, low, medium, high, and then 6 gears. All the gears work fine. Medium and high is great, but it doesn't shift into low gear. They've had their mechanic look at it. They've ran it for 2 years with it doing that and haven't had any issues at all. Transmission's solid. Just whatever reason, it's not letting it shift into low gear. And it is an all-wheel drive tractor, guys. The interior is nice. It's got a really good seat. It does need to be cleaned. It's got a nice interior. And you'll notice as well there are 2 monitors there in the cab. Those go with the planter. It's actually being sold separate. These monitors will not go with the tractor. Well, there's the demo, guys, on the International 5088 tractor. 4 reverse, motor fires up, runs strong, guys. Nice tractor, comes from a good home. Good luck with auction time. Old 20 Auctions.